You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce in Korean correctly the name of the South Korean actor. If you want to learn more names of celebrities from South Korea, make sure to stay tuned. So let's break it down how it's said in Korean and how you can say it in English. Gong Yoo. Gong. Korean pronunciation, Gong Yoo. In English, it's generally more simply pronounced as Gong Yoo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.